So what's up, guys? Today we have an iPhone 7 that has a no service baseband issue. So if you check here, there's no IMEI. And even if you go here to try to activate, it won't activate either. So, but the way to check it is when the first boot on the screen, and you see um, the I for info here, and just click on it, and you can see there's no IMEI number. They have a serial number, but there's no IMEI number. So we know that's a baseband issue. So basically, that's why it's in this mode right now, because the customer tried to reset the phone to see if it resolved the issue, but it didn't. So, but after that, you can't activate the phone anymore. So, and if you look at this phone, it looks normal, a little bit bent, but it's still in pretty good condition, except that the baseband is not working. So could be a number of issues. First, it could be the power management issue for the baseband, or also could be the baseband itself. But on the iPhone 7, mostly the case is the power IC for the baseband CPU that's causing the issue. If we, so we try. Let's go ahead and try and fix that issue first. So after a while, the pins underneath the power management IC for the baseband, it gets oxidized and broken off. If you certainly drop the phone a little bit, it'll get disconnected. So let's go ahead and do that. We need to take up the mother logic board. Okay, so we took the logic board out the housing. So let's take a look at the baseband power IC. So this is the baseband power IC right here. This is a Qualcomm, and usually sometimes some of the circuit line beneath it gets broken if the phone was dropped. And when we removed the logic board, we noticed that this phone was dropped, and the screen was replaced, and also they replaced the battery as well. So let's try. So what we can do is we take this one out and rebought it and put it back together, see if it works. And also we try and measure some circuits around here to see. Let's try and measure some circuits around here first to see if there's a short. If there's a short, that may be a problem, big problem. Sometimes it's not repairable. It's short. So let's go to schematic. Let's go schematic. Okay, there's schematic. This is the. So this is the unit we're talking about. So this one is this one here, and this one, yeah. So this is the power IC, and it goes to the baseband CPU on the other side. Right here, this is a baseband CPU. And sometimes this could get, after a while, the phone gets old, and some of the pins beneath here, it gets oxidized, and it could break off as well if you drop the phone. And if one of them, even one pin, if it gets broken off, then you get no service. So let's try and measure some of the power lines right here and see what we get. It's short, and that's not good. So okay, let's see. Just nope, that's good. Okay, let's demo reading and see see if we get values as well. 6.3. Okay, that's fine. It's fine as well. It's good. It's good. That's good. It's good. So that one's there's no short, but there may be a disconnection in here. So let's try to reflow it or take it out. Let's try to reflow it first. If that works, then we rebar it. If that doesn't work, then we know it's the baseband CPU is an issue, and we have to remove the shield and take some measurements over there as well. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's try to reflow a little bit. Let's hope some of the pins in the baseband CPU were not disconnected from the drop. Okay. So let's see if that works first. So let the board cool down a little bit, and we'll put back into the housing and test it. Okay, so the board has cooled down, and let's put back into the housing, and so we can test it. So this one was factory reset. We may need to restore it to get the IMEI back as well. That's the problem with repairing this type of baseband issue, that the customer factory reset it. So every time we try to fix the baseband, we have to restore it again, so it can read the IMEI of the baseband chip. Oh, man. Oh, Jesus Christ. I wonder. So annoying. Goes down here. There, perfect. Okay. If this doesn't work, then we have a bigger problem, which is the baseband CPU. Okay, let's try to factory reset it, restore it, so we can get the IMEI back. Okay, so let's restore it. So let's download the latest version. Quick flash, because there's no data. Okay, so let's wait a little bit for this download and restore it. We'll be right back. Okay, so I'll flash it. Okay, the phone is rebooting. So it booted up normally, and as you can see, there's the IMEI number. It means that the repair was successful, and here we're trying to activate it. If it goes through, we definitely know it's working fine. Awesome. The phone activated. There you go. And we can check the IMEI number by tapping the I logo. There you go. That's showing everything. And we just go through the setup process, and it should take us to the home screen. All right. Yeah, the repair is successful. Everything works fine. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys in the next video. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so, and hit the like button as well. Really appreciate you watching.